Good morning, student. Today I teach about the fractions. Suppose any numbers, numerator and denominator. Suppose 5, 8 by 5, 3 by 6, 9 by 7. These are called the fractions. So, and 5 by 12. And if we cut 5 by cut, this is the all the fractions. Suppose one numbers I'm given to the 8 by 12. Okay. Cut by 4 you get a 2, cut by 4 you get the 3, then 2 by 3, this is the proper fraction. This is called the proper fractions. Okay, and suppose 18 by 7, the numerator is greater by denominator, this is called the improper. This is called the improper fraction. Okay, improper fractions we can change it mixed fractions. How? 18 divided by 7, 7 to the 14, 4 is remainder, you can write 4 by 7. The 2 4 by 7 is the mixed fraction. This is called the mixed fraction. Okay, this is table all the fraction. Now I explain how to add this one. Suppose one examples, I am taking 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Okay, first you just find the LCM of the denominator. Here 3 and 6, 3 and 6 LCM, this 3 times 1 2, then 2 1 1, so 3 into 2 equals to, you get the 6 as a LCM. Now after here write 6. Now how to add the number? You get that one LCM, you have to divide by denominator, and this number you have to multiply by numerator. The 6 divided by 3 we get the 2, and upper have to multiply into 2, plus same process, 6 divided by 6 you get the 1, 1 into upper 1 is 1. There say 2 to the 4 plus 1 by 6, you get the, if you added 4 plus 1, 5 by 6, this is the your answer. And suppose big number, mixed number is given 2 1 by 7 plus 3 5 by 14. Then how to do? First you have to change it improper fractions. 7 to the 14, 1 15, right? 15 by 7 plus, similarly 14 into 3, this is into, this is plus, here into, and how much you get, you have to plus it the other numbers. So 13 4 ja 42 plus 5, we get the 47 by 14. Now same process, you have to find out the LCM of 7 and 14. 7 and 14, 7 times 1 2, again 2 1 1, 7 into 2, you get the 14 as a LCM. Now draw one line, then 14, same process, you have to divide by this one, and answers you have to multiply by upper one. 14 divided by 7, we get the 2 into 15, plus 14 divided by 14, we get the 1 into 47. Now multiply first, 15 to the 30, and any number multiplied by 1, same number will come, 47 by 14. Your answer is come 77 by 14. This is the improper. Now change in mixed number, so I have to divide it. 14 how many times? 5 times, because 14 5 ja 14 5 the 70, we get the 7 is remainder. Now write 7 by 14, this is the answer. So this is the fractions. Any number, numerator denominator will be there, the fractions, all our fractions will be there. If you cut it same numbers, you get the smallest one, 2 by 3, this is called the proper fractions. If the numerator is greater than denominator, if this is called the improper. And if you divide it, we get the mixed number, mixed fractions. Okay, how to add? I given one example, suppose 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Yeah, find the LCM, then denominator from denominator divide it by LCM and multiply by numerators. You get this type with the answers. This is the type we find out the fractions adding will be there. How to add? Now I show you subtract. Subtract will be there. Same process. Suppose 3 by 5 minus 10 by 7. You have to find the LCM of 5 and 10. We get the 10. Same process. Divide by this and multiply by this. 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 into 3, 6. Suppose here 4 will there. Minus 10 divided by 10, we get the 1. 1 into 4, 4. We get the 2 by 10. If you cut by 2, 1, this is 5. Answer is 1 by 5. One peculiar things I show you. Suppose big number, how to add? Or small numbers. Suppose we are given 2 plus 1 by 9, or given 1 minus 3 by 7. We can do directly. See how to do. 9 to ja, you have to multiply. This is plus signs, you have to plus it. 9 to ja, 18 plus 1, 19 by 9. Right? Similarly, we minus it into it here and subtract. 7 1 ja, 7 minus 3, we get the 4 by 7. The small one you can do like this process also. And we get the suppose big one number. 5 6 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 7 0 1 by 6. How to do? If you get the multiply, then adding, there is so much time. So you have to write like this: 5 6 3 plus 3 7 0 plus, in bracket write 1 by 3, fraction numbers write in bracket. You have to add this two. You get the 3 3 9 plus, similar process you have to add it. We get the 6 LCM, divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, plus here divide by 1, 1 into 1, 1. The 9 3 3 plus 3 by 6. You have to cut it. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Your answer is 933. No need to write plus sign, 1 by 2. This is right answer. You can do this process also. So today I am explain the how to add and how to subtract with the fractions numbers. Okay.